Imagine you've built an amazing website, but you have no idea who's visiting, what they're clicking on, or where they're dropping off. It's like throwing a killer party and having no idea if anyone would show up.
I really don't understand the point of all that.
That's where Google Analytics comes in. But how to get started with Google Analytics? Hello and welcome to No Code School. Today, we will share how to set up Google Analytics for your WordPress website and in what ways its metrics can help you to understand your website visitors. Let's get started. First, head over to google.com/analytics, and you will be welcomed to the Google Marketing Platform. Click Get Started today and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, create an account name. This is not your website's name, but rather an umbrella name for all your websites, if you have multiple. For example, let's say I am creating an account for multiple travel websites. I'll give it as Visit. Now, you will be asked to enable different data sharing options in the account data sharing settings. The account sharing settings allow you to decide how much information you are comfortable sharing in exchange for additional features and insights. You can choose complete isolation or leverage the power of Google's ecosystem for a richer experience. For now, I will give the permission for all of it. Click Next. Now, you will have to add your website name to Google Analytics. For example here, I will give it as Visit Calicut. Set your reporting time zone and currency. This ensures you know exactly when your visitors are active and in what currency your data is being reported. Click Next again. Now, describe your business to Google by selecting your industry category and business size. For industry category, I will give it as travel, and for the business size, small. This helps Google with benchmarking against similar organizations, and yes, potentially with Google AdWords targeting. Click Next. Now you will have to choose your business objectives. Google Analytics will generate relevant reports based on these. Whether you're generating leads, running an e-commerce platform, raising brand awareness, or simply examining user behavior, there's a tailored option for you. For this example, we'll generate leads and press Create. Accept the terms of service by selecting your country and clicking I accept. This will move us to the interface for setting up data collection. Click on Web and fill in your website URL. Make sure to use www if applicable. Choose HTTPS and enter your URL. For the stream name, use your brand name, GA4, and the year you created this stream so that you can always remember the year. Keep the enhanced measurement enabled to automatically collect data like page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site searches, form interactions, video engagements, and file downloads. If you don't want to monitor any of these data, you can simply click on the settings icon and turn off the option for it. Now, press Create and Continue to create the stream. Click here and you will be shown the Web Stream Details dashboard. The installation instructions will appear automatically. If not, you can click on the View Tag Instructions button over here. Before we can measure anything, we need to add the tracking code to our website. This code is like a special snippet that you'll add to your website. Don't worry, most website builders have a simple way to add this code. Once the code is in place, Google Analytics starts working its magic, silently tracking every visitor. Now there are two ways to install this code on your website. You can do it manually by copying this code and placing it inside your website, but there's an easier way. Install with a website builder or CMS. Click this button, then select your platform or CMS you're working with, such as Monster Insights, the SiteKit plugin, or the WooCommerce plugin. We'll use the SiteKit plugin for this example. Click on it. The next step is to insert the tag into your WordPress website, which is very straightforward. Here I am logged into my WordPress website. In your dashboard, click on Plugins, and then click on Add New. Search for the plugin SiteKit. The search results will show a plugin called SiteKit by Google. Click Install Now, and then press Activate. Here, we'll connect our account with Google Analytics as part of the setup. Click on Start Setup. Simply tick the box and then click Sign in with Google. Choose the account you just used to create your Google Analytics property. Click Continue. Click Continue again. This page shows up because my account is already verified. If your Search Console account isn't verified yet, please do the verification and then click Next. Give access here so we can see the metrics of your website in your WordPress dashboard. Click Allow. I've already set up Google Search Console for this website. If you haven't done that yet, please take a moment to do it and then click Next. Click Next again. You'll see your account name, property, and the web data stream we just created. If everything looks good, click on Complete Setup. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Google Analytics account. Now you can start gathering invaluable insights into your website visitors and optimize your site's performance with confidence. Now let's dive in to understand the user dashboard of Google Analytics. When you sign into Google Analytics, you're welcomed to the Home dashboard, which gives a bird's eye view of all your data. In this video, we'll be exploring Google Analytics using a new website's dashboard. Keep in mind that since the site is new, the data we see will be limited. Moving to the top, you'll find your accounts. If you have multiple websites, it will be shown over here. Need to hop over to Google Tag Manager? Just click here. Here is the Analytics Intelligence, which is Google Analytics' very own AI. You can ask it almost anything about your data and get a summarized reply instantly. For example, let's ask, what are my top countries by traffic? And watch as the data is summarized for you right away. Here is the summarized data. Now, let's dive into the heart of your analytics, the Report section. Click here. This is where all your data is collected, and where you'll spend 99% of your time deep diving. Here's the Report Snapshot section. It gives an overview of all the report data at your disposal. But all these data are available in more detail within the Acquisition, Engagement, Monetization, and Retention sections. Now on the left, we have the Google Analytics 4's Explore tab. Unlike Reports, the Explore section lets you ask specific questions and dig into the user behavior. Imagine comparing visitor types, for example, techies versus fashionistas, or analyzing how they navigate your site. This deep dive helps you identify trends and patterns in user behavior quickly. For example, an online clothing store uses the Explore tab to analyze user behavior in their checkout funnel. They segment users who abandon their carts and compare their demographics and device types with those who complete purchases. This helps them understand why some users might be dropping off and allows them to target specific user groups with relevant promotions or address technical issues on certain devices. Lastly, we have the Advertising tab over here. Here, you'll see how all your ads are performing, whether they're from Google Ads or other campaigns. Knowing which ads bring the most value helps optimize your advertising strategy effectively. And now, you're a small geek ready to start with Google Analytics. That's a wrap for this video on setting up Google Analytics on your WordPress website with No Code School. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.